Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. So, good Friday morning, and we are weekend ready here at the Coffee with Craig show. Winston, good to see you.
All right, Craig, how's it going?
Yeah, great. Happy to be back in Warsaw, at the Warsaw studio for the last day. Good to see you all. So, tell us what the headlines are for
Yeah, sure.
this week.
Cosmetics, clothing, and F&B operators record highest year-on-year growth in Romania, says Cushman & Wakefield Equinox. Banca Transylvania leases around 10,000 square meters from Globalworth, also in Bucharest. Antenor obtains occupancy permit for office centre in Budapest. And 50% of Neonatalin's first stage residential project has been sold in Warsaw.
That's great. Okay, well, this was a big week. We had our Serbia Monthly nomination, Serbia Monthly CEO Awards nomination launch event on Monday. So that went very well. A lot of attendance, a lot of exciting things going on there in Belgrade. We opened up the nominations. So if you've got a company in Belgrade or a company in Serbia, feel free to put in a nomination. We'll have the actual awards on September 28th this year at the Crown Plaza Hotel. So we'll just take a little break and we'll come right back with Winston Norman in the news. So welcome back. And Winston, yeah, a lot of great headlines. It'll be interesting to hear what's going on in more detail.
Okay, so here we go. So according to the Romania Retail Snapshot 2023, a study by Cushman & Wakefield Equinox, certain retail sectors recorded higher year-on-year revenues in 2022, with the largest increases being reported in the cosmetics, food and beverage, and clothing sectors. The surveyed retailers registered a turnover around 33 billion in 2022, compared with around 28 billion in 2021. And around 25 billion in 2020. And according to Cushman & Wakefield Equinox, retailers continue to be a significant contributor to GDP growth in 2022, a trend which is also noticed in the first quarter of this year. Staying in Romania, and office investor Globalworth has announced the signing release agreement with Banca Transylvania. This agreement highlights one of the largest office transactions in Romania so far this year, and it's underlining the good dynamics of the office market within the country. And the lease agreement covers around 10,000 square meters, and they've taken the 6th floor through to the 11th floor of the Green Court A building in Bucharest. And according to Emma Ifitimi, head of leasing at Globalworth, this significant leasing contract marks another key moment for us and the Romanian office real estate market this year. And the building is developed following the latest market trends, according to Globalworth, and it has a LEED Gold. And it ensures a high level of quality, comfort, and energy efficient spaces, which is very attractive to tenants these days. Staying in the office sector, moving to Hungary, and the Roseville office complex has obtained an occupancy permit in the northern part of Budapest. The building is developed by Antenor, and it offers around 15,500 square meters of space and will be opened in July this year. And the first tenants have already signed leases, including Viva, L'Oreal, and the developer itself. And according to Etena, this building is an ESG compatible building, and it's got a BREEAM certificate and Access for You Gold certifications. And another highlight of this building, according to the developer, is they're one of the first landlords in Budapest to sign so-called green leases. And finally, for today, moving to Warsaw, and Real Management has signed pre-sale contracts for 52 residential units, which half of the units have been developed in the first stage of the Neonatalin development in Warsaw. And the project will be ready to welcome first residents as early as Q3 2024. And the development will consist of around 200 residential units when it's fully completed. And according to Marcin Molka, he's the CEO of Real Management, We are very pleased with the interest in our newest residential project in the Villanov district and the progress of work at the construction site. So yeah, I'm very pleased to get so many deals done on an early stage of that development, I would imagine.
Yeah, and it sounds like the office market's coming back a little bit with, I mean, with Serbia or with Romania. These guys, global worth 4 floors for the bank.
Yeah, you don't get much news of such big deals being
Yeah.
closed these days. So yeah, that's quite a substantial deal and very good news, I think, for the Romanian office market at least.
Yeah. Well, great to see all of you, and great that you're all watching the Coffee with Craig show this Friday. We're working on all of our events coming up after the summer. So starting in September 18th, we have our retail marketplace and retail awards in Prague. Also, the CEO Serbia Monthly CEO Awards on the 28th of September. And then in October, we have our CRE Awards in Budapest, October 19th, and our CEE Investment Awards coming out on the 26th of October. So if you're interested in any of those events, let us know. We'd definitely like to have you involved. So enjoy the rest of the day and enjoy your weekend. Stay safe, and we will see you at the Panettone Cafe, where we film from every Monday. And join us even at 8:30 or 8:45 for the breakfast club there and coffee club there, because we have great food. They have great food and coffee. It'd be good to chat with a few of you. Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.